welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty and all things bougie. It is time for another video. Yes, another video time. Hey. Alright, lovies, so in today's video we will be talking about how I was able to achieve these curls that I have here, which are just some fun, bouncy, cute curls using a flat iron. So we'll be getting into how I was able to achieve these curls and what I do, what method I use. The majority of the time when I'm traveling, when I'm getting ready for work, I'm always curling my hair when I have a straight unit in with this flat iron right here. I'm so sorry I don't remember any of the specs on the flat iron, but I will probably link one down below if you're interested in purchasing one similar to this. This one is like 8 years old, girl. It's just an old faithful, okay? It's just trusty and never dusty flat iron, okay? It just got me through a lot of things, okay? So I'm so excited to be talking with you ladies about that today. But before we get into the video, of course, I have a couple of reminders. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, become a Lovey Subby today. Don't forget to please like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on today's video, and this is the emoji that we will be using down below. Leave anything, I respond to everyone, so please comment. Don't forget to share this video, girl. Okay, we're not gonna go through this every video. Share me with your friends. I want to be friends with your friends, girl. We can all be cool, okay? Share me with your friends, share this video, and of course, don't forget to ring the bell. Ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload, and that is every Sunday and sometimes on Wednesdays. Can I get a couple of snaps for a Wednesday video? Okay, come on, Shanice, get your little hustle on. And one more thing before I get into the video. These cute, super cute earrings are from my friend, my sister, my soror V. I love them, and I did get them from her. She does make them in all different colors, but she did surprise me with my favorite color, which is green, and I absolutely adore them. So if you're interested in these earrings, the information for her will be down below, and please support her. Please purchase them. She does ship them. So I absolutely love these. These are so cute. And then next is about this charm bracelet right here. This charm bracelet comes from my friend Mo and her boutique. I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it's so cute. Of course, mine is AKA theme, but she has other sororities and other little knickknacks that she can put on a charm bracelet for you. They are handmade. So I just wanted to shout out my cute little charm bracelet in case anyone was wondering. Last but not least, this hair. So this hair and all other units that you've seen me wear on my channel this far are by Hair by Shanae. Here is a little snapshot of her Instagram, but please follow her, purchase from her. I've had this unit here for about 2 years, and as you can see, okay, I ain't having no issues, okay? I absolutely love this unit. I absolutely love her. She's so sweet, so please support her. And every time I'm wearing her hair, her information is down below in the description box. So if you're ever wondering about like what's on my face, what's on my head, anything like that, it's always down below in the description. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Bye-bye. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So first things first, I'll be taking this brush here, and I'll just be brushing out my hair. We're just going to make sure that we have no tangles in our hair and that it's prepped and ready to go for our flat iron. And here I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 2 sections and just take a rubber band or a hair clip and secure one section off to the side, just making sure that it's not on your face or in the way of you curling the other section. And now with the other big section, I'm going to split it into a smaller section, and again just rubber banding the excess hair off to the side. Just going to go ahead and secure that section on top of your head, and next you're just going to go ahead and take your brush and you're going to just be brushing from the tips up to the root, making sure you have no tangles. And then you're going to take that medium-sized section and split it again into a smaller section. So your sections for your actual curls are going to be about 1.5 inches width. And now you're going to just take your flat iron and you're going to just clip it at the very top of the section and just kind of roll it to the back and scoot it down. And every few centimeters that you scoot it down, you're just going to continue to roll it again, roll it all the way around as I'm just showing you here in this clip. And you're just going to continue to do that till you get to the tip of the section. And then you're just going to clap it a few times. I'm sorry, I'm not the best describer. But you're just going to clap it a few times and then catch it in your hand. And you're going to hold it for about 3 seconds and let it go. And you should have a beautiful curl. So I'm going to do it again, except for this time I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see. So I'm taking my flat iron with one pass over the hair section, and then again just closing it at the top, scooting it down, rolling it to the back, scooting it down, rolling it to the back, scooting it down, rolling it to the back, and sometimes you have to clap it to get it to, you know, scoot, but scoot it and roll it, scoot it and roll it. And then once you've got it all inside of the iron there, you're just gonna clap it a few times to release, as you see here. And you're gonna just catch it in your hand like so, hold it for 3 seconds, and then go ahead and release, and you should have a beautiful curl. Okay, and this is the section that we've done, our first completed section. And I'm going to go ahead and do that same method around my whole entire head on this side. Just rolling it to the back. Of course, I didn't want you guys to have to sit through the whole thing, so I just sped it up. But just clamping each section and rolling it to the back. Just scoot it and roll it, scoot it and roll it. That's what we're going to call this technique. I've just named it the scoot and roll technique, okay? All right. So here what you're seeing is a whole side of finished curls, and I'm just bouncing those around to show you how beautiful your curls will look. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And it might be a little confusing at first because you're going to have to roll your wrist to the back, but it's in a more awkward way. But again, just clamp it at the top and then curl it to the back. Depending on, you know, if you're right or left-handed, this might be a little bit more awkward. But I did just want to show what it looks like on the other side. And we are using the same exact method. Again, you know, you might have to use your other hand to assist the hair with, you know, going through the iron all the way. But then you're just going to catch it. And this is not my strong side, so it's a little bit awkward trying to catch it. But we're just going to do that same technique on this side as well, all the way up until you get to the top portion of the hair. Alright, so now we are at the top portion of our hair, and we have these 2 sections left to curl. So in order to get the most volume, you're just going to brush those sections to the front, and then start from the back of those sections, and you're going to curl these a little bit different. So of course, just brush out any tangles. And then you're going to take your iron and you're going to pull it straight up and roll these to the back of the head, but up and back. So think up and back when you're curling these, and you're going to do the same thing, of course, for the whole entire section. Up and back, and you're just going to continue to let it roll and just let it rest to the back. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side, just rolling them up into the back, up into the back. And once you finish, you're all done. No, I'm just kidding. You're going to take your brush and you're going to begin to brush out your curls and just brush them to the back the same way that you rolled your hair. You're going to brush them out that way. And this is going to give the hair lots and lots of volume, which you will see here. And once you brush them out to your liking, you're going to take your fingers and you're going to push them into place and finesse your hair and play with it until you've got it styled exactly how you like it. So this is the finished look, ladies. I hope that you guys really enjoy it. I love doing my hair like this. It's just so girly and feminine, and to me it's just a bomb. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, I love spending time with my lovey subbies. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we will see you next time in the next video, lovies. Have a good one. Bye-bye.